Hello little scientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. Kids, have you ever seen 3D movies? Well, you must have. In order to enjoy such movies, we need to wear special 3D glasses. But what if I tell you that you can enjoy some 3D videos without even wearing these glasses? Well, in this video, let us use some 3D reflections to enjoy 3D videos. So let's begin. From the IntelliSmart box, take out the Reflection of Light Activity Kit. From the kit, we'll need OHP sheet cutting and a sellotape. You'll also need a smartphone with internet access and a pair of scissors from your home. Remove the brown paper cover from the OHP sheet. Like this. Repeat the same for the next one as well. Now fold the transparent OHP sheet along with the marked lines so that it turns into an inverted pyramid. Now stick the open edges of the inverted pyramid with a piece of a sellotape. Like this. Make sure that the structure can stand on a flat surface. Yes, like this. Now take a smartphone. Remember, you should always seek permission before using anyone's phone. Search 3D hologram videos on YouTube and play the one you like. Place the inverted pyramid structure in the middle of the smartphone screen, like this. Wow! Can you see the 3D hologram image in the middle? It is in the middle of the pyramid. Enjoy the show. You can play such more videos and enjoy 3D hologram images like that. Since there were 4 butterflies in different views in this video, the 4 views got reflected by 4 faces of pyramid and produced a combined 3D view. 3D hologram is a 3D projection existing freely in the space and is visible to everyone without the need of 3D glasses. In this activity, the inverted pyramid created a 3D illusion as if it was in the mid-air. This principle is known as Pepper's Ghost. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.